Hello guys, my name is Naveen and in this video I'm going to show you how to establish passwordless SSH between two Linux AWS EC2 instances. First let us log in first let us log into the AWS management console. Okay, I'm going to log into my AWS management console. Okay, this is how it looks like once we logged into the AWS management console, and on top you can see there is an option called as services. Just click on that, and under compute you can see an option called as EC2. Just click on that, and in the left panel you can see an option called as instances. Just click on that. So now you can see, like, currently I'm having the two running instances. One is master and one is slave. So now I'm going to show you how to establish the passwordless SSH between these two machines. That is in between, how to establish the connection between this master and slave. I'm going to show you guys. uh, First let us connect to my first instance, which is master. To do that, just click on this checkbox and click on connect on top, and here you can see the command by using which we can connect to this instance. Just copy this command, and I'm going to connect by using my git bash terminal. So this is my one of my git bash terminal. Just paste it here. So now I have successfully logged into my first instance, which is master. You can see the host name here, it's showing as master. Now I have logged into the my first instance. In the same way, I'm going to log into my second instance, which is slave. Just click on the checkbox and click on connect, and again copy this command by using which we can connect to this instance. Now I'm going to open my second terminal. This is my second git bash terminal. So second instance, I'm going to connect from here. Just hit enter. So now I have logged into my second instance, which is slave machine. Okay. So now I will open both the terminals parallelly side by side so that you can get some idea. So you can see here, guys, currently I have opened the two terminals here side by side. My first terminal box is this is related to the my master, and the second terminal it's related to slave. So from here to here, from the my master machine to the slave machine, how to establish the passwordless SSH. Now I'm going to show you guys. Okay, to do that, the first we need to make some SSH configuration changes on the slave machine. So first go to the slave machine, and from here, and on this machine you just open the SSH configuration file. Okay, by using the vim editor. uh, so down you can see there is an entry called as uh, password authentication. Currently you can see the status of this password authentication as no. Just change it to yes, guys. Just change it to yes. I have changed it to yes from now, and I'm saving this file. So since we made some changes to this SSH configuration file, it is required to restart the service. I'm going to restart the service. Sudo service SSH restart. Okay, so I have restarted this service. Now first I will show you how to do the SSH from one machine to the another machine by using the password. SSH Ubuntu, the name of the user at the rate, and the IP of the slave machine. What is the IP of the slave machine? To see that, just open your uh, AWS management console, and just click now we want to see the private IP address of the slave machine, right? So just click on this checkbox beside slave, and if you come down you can see the private IP of this machine. 172.31.38.76 is the private IP of this machine. Just copy it, and come back and go back to your terminal. Okay, just paste it here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to SSH to the slave machine by using its username and the IP address. Just hit enter. It is asking for the Ubuntu user password. I'm going to give the password. Okay, so I have logged into the slave machine by using the password. Now to do the same thing without giving the password, without giving any password, how it is going to connect directly, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so first we need to generate the first I will come out of this machine which I already logged in. So now I am in the master machine, guys. So first, to do the passwordless SSH, first thing we have to do is we have to generate the RSA key pairs. And how to do that? By using a command called as ssh hyphen keygen. Okay, this is the command which is going to generate the private and public RSA key pairs. And one more thing is why we use this SSH is it's a protocol used in Linux that is used to connect the remote servers and to access the resources on the remote server. Mainly we use this SSH protocol. So by using this SSH hyphen keys and by using this by using this command or tool, it's a tool on Linux, by using which we can generate the public and private RSA key pairs. Just give this command and hit enter. So now it is asking like which path we want it to save the files. Just we no need to specify or mention any path here. Just hit on enter. Now it is asking to give the passphrase. It is not required to give any passphrase, guys. Just hit enter and again hit enter without giving any passphrase. So now you can see like it has generated the keys. Now to check now to check whether the keys got generated or not, I will show you. I'll go to that path and I'll show you guys. Cd tilt slash ssh ls hyphen l. So under .ssh by default it is going to save the file. So that is the reason I'm currently I came to this path .ssh and I'm doing the ls hyphen l. I'm listing the files which are there under this path. So here you can see, guys, id underscore rsa and id underscore rsa dot pub are the two keys this command ssh hyphen keys in generated. Id underscore rsa is the private key, the private rsa key, and id underscore dot pub is the public key. So in order to establish between the connection between these two servers, the main thing we have to do is we have to copy this id underscore rsa dot pub to the slave machine. So how we can copy? Now I'm going to show you guys. uh, we can use the command called as ssh ssh hyphen copy hyphen id and the username ubuntu ubuntu at the rate and ubuntu at the rate and the private ip of the slave machine. So we already opened this, right? So this is the private ip of my the slave machine. Just copy this and give it here. That's it, guys. What this is going to do is it is going to copy the public rsa id underscore rsa dot public key file to the target server, which is the slave server. So at first it will ask you to give the password. So I am going to give the my Ubuntu users slave machines Ubuntu users password. Okay, so now the public key has successfully added to the slave machine. So now it is telling us to try logging to the machine with ssh ubuntu at the rate this one. So now I am going to log in by using this one. I'm sorry. Ssh ubuntu at the rate This is the private IP of my slave machine. That's it, guys. See, now you can see, like, without giving any password, straight away I logged into slave machine. So this is how we need to establish the passwordless SSH between the two machine, guys. Hope you guys got some idea, and hope you guys like this video. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. And if you guys like my video, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.